Welcome back. Okay, so two real quick unmoldings just because I need this mold. I have others, but that's besides the point. This like spilled over real bad, so I'm gonna try and take the edges off so it doesn't slice me up. I need to check YouTube and see where my videos are at as far as posting, because I did like an automate on this. Today is the 1st of June, so happy Pride Month. Trying to do this while cleaning off the edges simultaneously because I have way too many resin cuts as it is. Trying to keep that at a minimum. I didn't even turn on the light. I don't know if that makes a difference, but let me make sure y'all can see me, see what I'm doing, because I'm just focused on what I'm actually doing versus the camera. Okay, should be able to just pull that off now. Okay, nice. Okay, yeah, it's smooth on the inside the way it's supposed to be. That's all that matters. The outside a little rough. I need to go around the edge and smooth this down, but yeah, it's like a brownish, pinkish, whitish, iridescent-ish ish thing going on there. All right, now I got that for my project. And this, okay, this actually looks pretty cute. Little iridescent butterfly wings. I haven't been going how I'm supposed to be going with these molds. Not with these molds, with these crafts, because if y'all, I don't know if y'all notice, there's bubbles on this. This is because I'm just playing with the idea of these. I haven't really just been like intentionally doing it. So I'm moving forward. We're gonna be intentional because this is a waste of resin, but not really, but we can make something happen. Let's make something happen. But yeah, we got some iridescent butterfly wings. I'm gonna make some earrings and this cute little mini trinket dish. So yeah, make sure you subscribe to All Things Pointless. Check out the podcast, and whether you got here on purpose or by fate, thank you so much for watching this pointless unmolding. Bye.